Can I get credit from Monzo? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I get credit from Monzo? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Monzo is. Monzo is a challenger bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is known for its innovative approach to banking, and it's quickly become one of the most popular banks in the UK. So, can you get credit from Monzo? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. Monzo Credit Builder. The first way to get credit from Monzo is to sign up for their Monzo Credit Builder product. This product is a type of secured loan that allows you to build up your credit score over time. Here's how it works. You open a Monzo current account. You deposit a minimum of £250 into your account. Monzo will then create a credit builder loan for you up to the amount of your deposit. You make monthly repayments on your loan. As you make repayments, your credit score will improve. Once you've built up a good credit score, you may be eligible for other credit products from Monzo, such as a credit card or an overdraft. Monzo Credit Card. The second way to get credit from Monzo is to apply for their Monzo Credit Card. This card is a great option for people who have a good credit score and are looking for a rewards credit card. Here are some of the benefits of the Monzo Credit Card. No annual fee. 2% cashback on all spending. 1% cashback on overseas spending. 6% cashback on subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime Video, and Apple Music. Interest-free days on cash withdrawals. Monzo Overdraft. The third way to get credit from Monzo is to apply for an overdraft. Monzo offers two types of overdrafts. 0% interest overdraft. This overdraft is available to customers who have a good credit score and who meet certain eligibility criteria. The interest rate on this overdraft is 0% for up to 30 days. Standard overdraft. This overdraft is available to all customers. The interest rate on this overdraft is 15.9% APR. Conclusion. So, there you have it. There are three ways to get credit from Monzo. Sign up for Monzo Credit Builder. Apply for the Monzo Credit Card. Apply for an overdraft. If you're looking for a way to build your credit score or get access to credit, Monzo is a great option. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when applying for credit from Monzo. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria for the product you're applying for. Check your credit score before you apply. Be prepared to provide documentation to support your application. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep on learning. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, please click on the link below. Link to Monzo website. Disclaimer. This blog post is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any financial decisions. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.